The streets mightn't be paved with gold, but in this market or souk, the shop windows are certainly crammed with the stuff. Each evening, locals and tourists throng to this area of Dubai, and the cost of taking some gold home with you just keeps rising. The gold price has skipped ahead in the past couple of years, regularly hitting new highs. The latest rally began in January, at the same time as unrest was beginning to ride through this region, and many say that's not a coincidence.
When you see this energy important part of the world having so many problems, clearly there's a potential for disruption of oil supplies, which would then impact probably on the dollar and other currencies. And it comes back to the one simple thing. Gold is a currency, a hard currency, that can't be devalued. It's a store of value, and people really trust in gold.
Sales of gold bars and coins in the Middle East climbed by about 10% in the first 3 months of the year, according to the World Gold Council. But given such purchases aren't rising on anywhere near the same level in the UK, the US and Western Europe, why is this the case for Middle East investors?
They believe in gold, and they believe in the physicality of gold. It's not paper. They like to have the gold kilo bars. They like to have gold jewellery. If they have to get up and go quickly, really in a Samsonite briefcase, you can put $1 million worth of gold. How much does that weigh? Maybe 25 kilos. You can just get on the plane and go.
Perhaps seen as more of a fashion statement than an investment, gold jewellery sales in the region are down by about 15% this year, with countries hit directly by unrest such as Egypt suffering far more. Owning over 100 jewellery shops, Firoz Mershan says the combination of the economic downturn and the higher gold price has forced the business to rethink what it sells. That's included redesigning jewellery which contains less gold, making it more affordable.
We have to understand the consumer mentality, consumer, what they're asking, what they want. Everybody has a budget, spending budget. I believe the consumer are willing to buy, but the thing is there, they are not getting the same volume what they got earlier. So we're changing our working, the design in items according to the consumer requirement, according to the consumer expectation.
Overseas buyers have been key in maintaining demand, especially India, the world's biggest importer of gold. Sellers target Indian expatriates living in the region, especially during religious festivals, with tourists also important customers. Now, weighing an ounce or a little more than 30 grams, this piece of gold is worth about $1,600 at current market prices. But you don't have to go to a gold souk or a jewellery store to buy it. At hotels like this one, you can go to a vending machine. Tapping into the fascination with the precious metal, this device was the world's first to dispense gold coins and bars. And because the price you pay is linked to the real-time spot price in London, the cost to curious consumers fluctuates.
Well, I think it's something very attractive. You know, we have a lot of guests coming to the hotel, a lot of tourists as well. Children love it. All kinds of people come and stand in front of it, and it's a sensation maybe of buying gold. And you're part of the whole, you know, a little stock exchange, gold price. It's just a very nice thing to do. I think it's very popular because of that.
There are plans to launch this machine in other countries, including Kuwait and Saudi Arabia. And with gold continuing to appear a solid investment, there seems little immediate prospect of the metal, or the industry surrounding it, losing its shine.